done. Oh, thank you, thank you. I'm done with that. Alright, I'll need to remove my lei. But actually, I can...
You need to...
Welcome to Ed's Dance and Food channel. And you can find that. You can find the subscribe button. It's free, guys. It's free. So just hit the bell notification so that you will be notified whenever I go live. It's been an awesome day. Be awesome workout with you guys. Those who come and join me in my short and simple exercise, you are great. You are awesome. I love you all, and thank you for all those who tighten our arms so that it will not become flabby. So I'll get it first for a while. I'll get the dumbbell.
Kasi yung isang dumbbell,
okay, only one. I need only one. Woohoo! Okay, here's our dumbbell for our arms. Full stretch, guys, full stretch. Okay, let it work out, good for our arms. Okay, remove the flabby arms in our arms. This one is good for our arms. All right. So it's not simple. It's not simple. This one for our chest. Yeah. Chest. Smile. You are awesome. I love you guys. Needed for our arms. So after the Hawaiian dance, this is my last workout for my arms. And you are all awesome. Awesome. You are all gorgeous and pretty and handsome. Muy bien. Muy simpática, hermosa. Excelente. Ejercicio. Ejercicio and buenos dias to everyone. Hola amigo and amiga. We in the Philippines, we learned a little of Spanish words. So we had some Spanish during the 1990s before it was removed from our curriculum. So I have learned a little bit of Spanish. So when you try to put on your something heavy, you need to squat. Do not bend using your back, so it might break your back. Just bend it from the knee. From the knee you have to bend. Okay? Don't do like that because it will strain our back. So just bend your knee if you're going to pick up something in the floor. Okay? That's one tip I can share with you today. And one last dance for all of you. Thank you. You are all welcome to our hula dance. Yeah, these are hula dance. Hula dance. Beautiful, lovely people. Thank you guys. I have only 9 minutes to entertain you with the dances. So, as long as I can still dance, we will dance together. Thank you guys for all those who are joining me. You are all welcome. You are all appreciated. Mwah! I love you. Yo te amo. Yo te amo, guys. Yo te amo. Arigato. Biglang naging Japanese no? Okay, let's see this one Hawaiian dance. It's gonna be more calories that will be burned to dance Well, anyway, if you don't really love dancing, you can do other exercises as well. So, it can be swimming, it can be biking, you know. If you like walking, walking is a good exercise also. Even jogging, and then maybe gardening. Yeah, gardening is a very nice workout also. While you are cleaning the weeds, you know, and you get the positive vibes, the positive ion from the ground. So even gardening can be a very nice exercise for all of us. And you see, I'm panting. Don't forget to inhale and exhale. It's gonna be alright. It's a happy day, and it's Saturday. You know I don't have to work on a Saturday and Sunday. So let's be happy and gay. Na 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 na. So it's gonna be a happy day for all of us. You know, for us who are slave worker, we are the workers, the worker ant in the organization. We need to have even one day of rest, or even one day where you will be doing your cardio workout, dancing, and everything nice that you enjoy. So let's all spread the good vibes, everyone. Mwah! Sending you all the good vibes. RB Official TV, you're already my friend since, I think, since 2 years ago. And I'm happy to see you here. I'm happy to see David Lynn Principal, our dear principal. Thank you for coming over. And for all the new friends who are there, you don't need to subscribe. Just your mere presence is already very highly appreciated. And I would really love you to be with me while I'm doing my exercise. While you're doing there, you're there supporting me and giving me your thumbs up, your beautiful smiles, and the beautiful things that I'm sharing with you. I hope I've been sharing with you good tips to be happy. You know, you choose your happiness. Don't wallow in your self-pity. Need to say hello.